How to download Google Chrome on laptop or a PC. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download your Google Chrome on your PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First steps first, you'll need to open up any other web browser instead of your Google Chrome. So I will be using Microsoft Edge. So you can open up Safari, you can open up any web browser that you already have. And after you do that, you'll simply need to search for download Chrome. Hit enter, and after you hit enter, you will be able to just see Google Chrome's web browser, Google Chrome's website. You can head over there, you can see download the fast secure browser. Now what you can do here is you can simply tap on this download Chrome button, tap on download Chrome and it should start downloading the Chrome setup. And after it completely downloads, all you have to do is as it says right here, install, tap on yes, allow yes, and then it will start installing and you can use it. And yeah, that's basically how you download it. Now since I already have my browser, I won't be downloading it again. So yeah, it's really simple. Just open up the exe file, tap on yes when prompted, and just wait for the installation to be completed. And then you can use your Google Chrome. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.